So guys, I'm literally about to cry because I dropped my phone in the water today and it's just not coming on. I'm legit about to cry because they said, "Oh, put it into water for 30 seconds." I didn't spitefully put it in there. It actually fell and dropped into the sink with water and it's not coming on. I'm about to cry. I am about to cry. It's not coming on at all. And oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it in the rice and see, leave it for a few hours and see what happens. Or more. I finally got it to work again. I'm super excited. Um, let's check the speaker to see if anything is playing. Alright, don't matter. Turn it off volume. You act like you need a mind, trying to do it over, bring. So the speakers are working fine. I don't think there's any water inside. A little Jamaican money, and that's that.